Once upon a time, in a magical forest where day gently turned into night, there lived an array of wonderful creatures. The sky painted in hues of soft pinks and purples as the sun bid farewell, making way for the moon's gentle glow. Deep within this enchanting forest, where the trees stood tall and proud, little Emma the bunny peeked out from her cozy burrow. "Oh, the twilight makes everything so pretty," she thought, her heart filled with joy. As she hopped along the soft, mossy path, she came across Ollie, the wise old owl perched high in his tree. "Hoo, he greeted, as his eyes twinkled like stars. "Good evening, Emma," he called out softly in his warm voice. "Are you ready to learn about our forest friends?" Emma nodded eagerly. She adored meeting new friends. "Off we go then," Ollie said, gently flapping his wings. Their first stop was by the sparkling stream where Sammy the smiling squirrel was busy collecting the last few acorns of the day. "Hello, Emma," Sammy chirped, twitching his bushy tail. "Would you like to share a nut with me?" he asked, offering a tiny portion with a grin. "Thank you, Sammy," Emma replied, feeling happy and grateful for the kind gesture. She nibbled away as Sammy chatted on about the wonders of trees and the magic they held. Further down the path, beneath a canopy of velvet sky, they found Bella the bear, napping under the watchful eyes of the twinkling stars. "Good night, Bella," whispered Emma, not to disturb her peaceful dreams. Fireflies started to dance around them, tiny lanterns floating in the air, casting a gentle glow that made the forest look even more magical. Emma giggled as one landed on her nose, tickling her gently. "Come, let me introduce you to a very special friend," said Ollie, leading her to the clearing where Luna, the graceful deer, stood. Her eyes were tender and her presence noble. "Hello, Emma," Luna spoke softly. "Tonight is a special night. Look up." Together, they gazed at the vast sky, a sea of stars stretching out in every direction. "We're all connected, just like the dots in the sky," Luna explained. "No matter where you wander, you will never be alone." Emma felt warm and happy inside. She knew she was safe, surrounded by friends and the beauty of the forest. As she snuggled back into her burrow, her eyelids grew heavy, feeling the forest's lullaby rock her gently to sleep. And so, under the ever-watchful moon and stars, the magical forest and its friends drifted off quietly, dreaming sweet dreams until the morning light. The end.